Hi, I'm going to pick the winner for the Knit Crate yarn, and all my links are down below. This is for the monthly club. If you'd like to join up under me, you can put in the promo code Jewel20. You can have a look right here. Also, if you'd like to come to my website, amyscrochetpatterns.com, you can go right to my patterns. I have hundreds of patterns that are free. Click on any category. It will take you to a bunch of pictures. And if you click right on it, it will take you to the pattern. Most of my patterns are free, and many of the patterns have videos. And then also my Etsy store, which has 97 digital products. You can go to Crochet PDFs and Crochet Vintage Patterns. Okay, so I'm going to see who the winner is. All you need to do is contact me with your information. My email is down below. So Lisa, congratulations. And like I said, contact me with your address. I will send it out as soon as possible. Thank you everybody for subscribing. Thank you everybody for watching my videos, and look out for some videos that are coming out soon. And thank you for watching.